Hi everybody, and welcome to I Like Cruise Ships, the YouTube channel, and welcome to a new video, question and answer video from right here in my kitchen with my big screens right here. I have a new question to answer, and this is one that I found in a Facebook group, the Carnival Panorama Cruise page. Now, this one was asked by Karen Ellis Mogilivsky. Sorry, Karen, if I got your last name a little bit mispronounced. I hope you don't mind a few minutes of fame as well from a question and answer video. So let's get on with it, shall we? Now, the question is, I know this is a little over the top, but it's an issue with me. For all of you Coke drinkers out there, how do you bring enough Coke, or in my case, Diet Coke, in your carry-on? This Pepsi thing is not good for me. Now, this question is kind of fun and kind of interesting. Now, if you're not too aware, on Carnival Cruise Line, they did have Coca Cola products for, let's say, near on 30 plus years. And then I think I'm going to go back now about 2 years ago. Now, COVID obviously has caught me up a little bit. Maybe 3 years ago, they changed over to Pepsi all of a sudden. So somebody somewhere who had that account with Pepsi or Coca Cola, somebody made a good or bad move, or a good or bad mistake, I don't know. But I am a Coke drinker myself, wholeheartedly, and I worked on the ships loving Coca Cola or Fanta, Sprite, all of my career working on ships. So actually, when Pepsi did finally turn up, I was absolutely devastated, and other crew members on the ship will know that as well, that I don't drink Pepsi. It would be rare that I would have a can of Pepsi. It's not my drink that I like, and that's a personal thing. Now, Karen wants to know, how can I bring it on board? Now, part of Carnival's policies, you can bring a 12-pack of canned drinks on embarkation or at the start of the cruise in your carry-on only. Now, this is quite important. You can't put it in your check bag, or when it goes through the security system, it'll be found and confiscated and not returned. But you can walk on the ship. You can check your bag at the terminal, walk on with your wheel tote or bag, whatever you have, and bring a 12-pack per person. Now, hopefully, Karen, you're cruising with 29 other people, so you can bring 29 12-packs. But if you're cruising with friends or family, hopefully you can convince them to bring a 12-pack each. I know on embarkation day when I'm working on the ship, I see so many families with kids, and the young kids have got their pack of soda on their little bag. So basically, if you've got one of those wheel totes, you can just rest it right on top. When you go through the check-in procedure, you can put your bag through the scanner, the 12-pack of drinks through, and walk on the ship with them, and you've got your 12-pack of Diet Coke. Now, what you want to do is obviously if you're flying into a port, I'd probably suggest trying to find somewhere local to buy it prior to getting on the ship. So hopefully you might fly in the night before. Maybe find yourself a local Walgreens, CVS, or a Walmart or Kmart and grab yourself the sodas. I wouldn't sort of really trouble yourself flying with them from a port, from a destination to where you're going to board the ship. Just buy them locally as much as you can. Now, and if you're maybe cruising with, I'm going to say your family, maybe husband or partner or kids, maybe definitely bring as many 12 packs as you can per person. There's no age restriction on how old someone has to be to bring one on board. And then another option would be to be in the port of call. You could bring on some drinks in a carrier bag in the ports of call as well. So maybe getting off in Cozumel. There is a shop right on the pier. I'll actually put a link to the secret shop in Cozumel. You can go check that out to get some Coca-Cola, or get your fix, I guess. I guess the best thing you could probably do is basically maybe ration yourself to 1 or 2 cans per day, depending on the length of the cruise. But the cruise line doesn't have a secret 12-pack of Coke anywhere if you run out. So just prepare yourself ahead of time, and maybe just go easy for the duration of that cruise, maybe 3 or 4 days or 7-day cruise. Yeah, Karen, I hope this answers your question. You can bring it on as a carry-on item. Just very important, make sure it's not in your check baggage. Carry-on only in that original 12-pack cardboard carton that you get at the grocery store. Don't do anything otherwise, because otherwise you won't get it on board, and then you'll be even more emotional, I guess, on that sail away from the port without your can of Coke in your hand. Yeah, for me, I really struggled once they changed over to Pepsi. I wasn't able to source it. I managed to find places in Cozumel to get it. Of course, in the embarkation ports, like in Galveston, I could go to Walmart. In Miami, you can get, there's a cruise shop on the pier, or you can go downtown to CVS. So yeah, long question, long answer, long question. Thanks, Karen, for the question. I hope you like these Q&A videos. This goes in general for anybody watching. Thanks for all the subscribers. Thanks for all the views in the last maybe week and a half since I started making these. It's very encouraging to know that people like them. And some people are posting comments, thumbs up. So yeah, thanks for watching I Like Cruise Ships, the YouTube channel. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down, up to you. And maybe post a comment for another video. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.